Today, I'm going to give you a sneak peek into Go High Level's AI agents or voice AI agents. So now you can accept inbound calls into Go High Level, and a voice AI agent will respond to that call with your knowledge base. So let's get started and see a demo of how it works. So first of all, I'm going to make a call from my phone number to my voice agent's phone number. So this is going to be an inbound voice call. For this demo purpose, I'm using GHL's phone numbers. I have one phone number calling another phone number. So now I'm going to make that call.
Hey, you have reached iChat Labs. How can I help you today?
You tell me, how can you help me?
Sure thing. I'm here to help you get an instant roofing quote. I'll just need a few details from you, like the name, address, and some info about your roof. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
Great. Let's start with your name. What should I call you?
My name is Sherlock Holmes.
Thanks, Shelley. Just to make sure I've got it right, your name is Shelllyholmes. Is that correct?
No, that's not correct. It's Sherlock Holmes, SHEL.
Got it. Thanks for clarifying. So your name is SHELLACOMPS. Is that right?
No, sorry, I was wrong again. My spelling is SHERLOCK space HOLMES, Sherlock Holmes.
Got it. Your name is SHERLOCK space HOLMES. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Perfect, Sherlock. Now, could you please provide your address?
Well, my address is 221B Baker Street, London.
Thanks. Just to confirm, your address is 221B Baker Street, London. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Awesome. Now, could you tell me the pitch of your roof? Is it flat, medium, moderate, or steep?
I think it's a flat roof.
Great. A flat roof? Now, what material is your roof made of?
It's tiles.
Got it, tiles. And do you know the square footage of your roof? If not, that's okay.
No, I don't think I know the square footage, sorry.
No worries at all. We can still send you an estimate without that information. Could you please provide your email address so we can send the quote to your inbox?
Yeah, sure. It's jitinas123@gmail.com.
Thanks. Just to confirm, your email address is shecans123@gmail.com. Is that correct?
No, it is jithins123@gmail.com.
Got it? So your email address is jithins123@gmail.com. Is that correct?
That's correct, yes.
Perfect. Thanks for all the info, Sherlock. We'll calculate your roofing square footage, and you'll receive a quote in your inbox or via SMS very soon. If you have any other questions, our team will reach out to you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye. So that's it. When I said bye, the call ended by itself and it collected all the data. Now, if the workflow did fire, I would get an email very soon with the code or with the square footage, however you set up the workflow. So this is how Go High Level's AI voice agent works. And as of now, it only works with inbound call. You can see here, outbound call is coming soon. So we just did an inbound call, and I can see I have got an email here. So I'm going to show you in a second. So let's see how we can set up an AI agent, and I won't be going in depth right now, but this is just to give you a glimpse into this feature. So you can see there is a new tab called AI agent. You might not have access to this tab. This is only for testing purposes. So we are testing this feature right now. And this is where you set up your agent details. Now you can call your agent whatever you want to call. I'm calling Sam, the roofing agent, and you can set your business name here. GHL Labs is my business name, and then you can select few voices from here. Not a lot of choice, just like 11 Labs or anything, but for now these are the options you have, and they sound pretty good actually. And then you can select either inbound call or outbound call. For now, only inbound call is available. And once you do that, you can set the initial message or the initial prompt. And here is my initial prompt, and it just asks, how can I help you today? That's what you heard when the call was made. So once that is done, this is where you set up the agent goals. So you click on agent goals, and this is the whole prompt is set up here. You have two choices. One is a basic prompt or an advanced prompt. I have switched to advanced prompt. Once you switch to advanced prompt, you can't go back to basic prompt as of now. It might change later. And in here, this is where you set up the brain of this voice agent. So I've given my background info, objection handling instruction, and all other instructions for my voice agent. And this is how the voice agent is responding to what I'm saying. So once that is done, you have a few options here. One is call transfer, trigger a workflow, update a contact field, and send an SMS. So I have used contact update field here, and I'm updating about 6 fields. So if I click here, you can see I'm updating first name, roofing pitch, roofing material, and roofing square footage, street address, and email address. So these things, whenever I speak to my agent, these details are captured and updated in my contact records. So let's go back and see the contact record after this call. Okay. So here is Sherlock Holmes contact. You can see the first name has been captured. The last name hasn't been captured because I did not have that update contact field for last name. But first name has been captured. And then you can also see, if you scroll down, I have my email address has been captured, my phone number has been captured from the call itself. And then if you scroll down, I have few places where it should capture the roofing details, and you can see the roofing square footage has been calculated and captured, which is a different workflow. So this workflow triggers as soon as it gets the address. So the square footage would be calculated based on the address that I gave. So this is the square footage of Sherlock Holmes' house, in case you're wondering. And then the roofing pitch, I said it's flat, and the material that I want is tiles. That has also been captured. And then you can see the address that I gave here is captured here. So this is how we can capture details from the conversation itself. So you can see here, these are the fields that I am asking to capture, and all those fields has been captured properly. Now you can also trigger certain workflow, either during the call or at the end of the call. So I have a workflow that triggers at the end of the call, workflow after AI agent call, and that workflow is the one that is sending this email, thank you for your call, and it has sent to the right address, and it also gives you some values from the contact record. Okay, so this is a very basic automation. You could actually have more details into this email, but this is just for a demo purpose. I'm just generating only the square footage, but you can actually calculate the price and all that and send that information back to the user. Now if you go back here, you can see there is a trigger workflow, and you can create a workflow, give an action name, and select a workflow from one of your workflow list, and it can be triggered, and you add the prompt when to trigger this workflow, and when that condition is met, this workflow will trigger. And you can also mention that the workflow has been triggered. So for example, like if it's a workflow to send a payment link, you can just say that I have just sent the payment link over SMS, and that workflow would trigger in the backend, and the contact would receive, the lead would receive an SMS. So all those things can be set up using Go High Level's built-in native AI, voice AI. And few other things you can do is send an SMS without using a workflow. You can actually send an SMS from here itself using similar prompt. And when a condition is met, you can send that SMS. Similarly, you can transfer this call. So if the user is requesting to talk to a human and the AI picks up that, so you can set up a prompt and transfer that call to another number by specifying that number here. And another feature is to select the phone number and availability. So you can go here and select the phone number that you want the incoming call to come in and the AI to respond to. And also you can set the working hours by selecting the availability from here. So if you're available on Monday, you just check here and then set your time here. And otherwise everything will be unavailable. If you want to accept the call 24/7, just uncheck this and you will be able to accept that call 24/7. So this is how you can set up Go High Level's native voice AI agents, and it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and it is pretty powerful as well. And it is still under testing. It is not open to everyone just yet. When it gets available to everyone, this is going to be a huge game changer for everyone. So I'm very excited for this feature. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.